We're giving away $250,000 worth of Google Gemini AI credits, and here's how you can get yours. Start by going to workshop.ai and then click on the launch announcement at the top of the website. Here you'll find more information about Workshop as well as how to claim your free credits. Click on this. Then you'll see that if you're one of the first 100 people on X to repost and comment Workshop, then we'll give you $500 worth of Google Gemini AI credits. Don't worry, if you're not a part of the first 100 on X, you can still get free credits. So here's how that works. If you're on the free plan, you can get $10. If you're on the build plan, which is our lowest paid tier, you can get $40. And then if you're on our highest tier scale, you can get $200 worth of Gemini AI credits. The way you get them is by going to our social media, either X, LinkedIn, or Instagram, preferably all three. We'd love your support. But if you go to at least one of them, repost, and then comment Workshop, make sure to follow us so we can then DM you. We'll give you instructions. You send us the email that you used to register with Workshop, and then we'll credit your account with the Gemini credits. That's it. Now, once you have the credits, you can start building with them. So what that looks like is you come to Workshop and you describe what you want to build. Now, the credits aren't actually used for powering the agent that builds, but you can use them in the apps you build. So for example, I could say, create a ChatGPT clone with, and then the key thing is to say @Gemini, and that will include the Gemini AI connector that's bundled within Workshop, and it will count the credits used against your free credits that you just redeemed. And so you can build something like a ChatGPT clone. You can build a image generator studio. You could build a face app. You could build whatever you want to that uses AI agents. The sky's the limit. Now, important note, we have a model selector here. And this is where you can really choose what you want out of the AI you build with. If you want to really go for value, I'd say go with the Pro text-only model. This one is our least expensive model. You can build lots of apps using this model, included both in your free subscription, in the base tier as well. In scale, you can build for days, basically unlimited throughout the month. Because this model, it's the GLM-5 model. It packs a lot of intelligence. It doesn't support image upload, but it's super powerful and it's great value. If you want just the most brilliant, visually stunning website that you can see and something that's less prone to error, then use our Genius model or something on the way in between. It's going to be a lot more expensive. You won't be able to build as many apps with the included credits, but it will be probably quite eye-popping. So the choice is yours. If you're on a budget, use text. If you want something outstanding, use Genius. All right, so I'm going to hit build now, and I'm going to use the Pro model. It's pretty good. So that's submitted. While that's submitted, I want to show you how you can monitor your credits. If you go to the account portal, what you get here by going to account here in the user avatar menu, and you click on account, and then you'll see that there's a Gemini AI credits section, which you'll see if you've had the AI credits added to your account. You'll see how many are used and how many are remaining. So you can keep track of your Gemini AI credits. Now, once the $250,000 worth of credits have been used up, then the promotion ends. So it's really as fast as everyone collectively uses them up. So go and get your credits and start building, and you can use them for free. I'm going to come back to the end so we can see the app that this creates for us. So the agent built for a few minutes and now it's finished. So let's take a look at the app. It is similar to ChatGPT. It is a AI chat interface, and I can say, help me brain startup ideas, click submit. It'll think about it, and then give us a reply. Fantastic. Now from here, I can go on to publish it if I'm happy with it. I can edit the name and say something like ChatGPT, or maybe I'll say David's ChatGPT clone. And then we can publish it. I can say anyone on the internet, or if you're on one of our paid plans, you can also restrict access to just yourself or just the people you share the invite link with. I'll say anyone on the internet and hit publish. Now, while that's publishing, let me show you a couple details. We used the Pro model. Like I said, this is our best model for value. It's the most sort of cost-effective model. Now, it is, if you use it, likely to make more errors than if you use one of the smarter models, but you're going to pay a lot less in credits. So you can build a lot more because it is powerful. It might just take a little bit longer for it to get to the right answer. So you can see that it delivered the app to me once, and I clicked around on the app. It wasn't really working. And I said, hey, clicking around on the app's not doing anything. It worked a little bit longer and said, hey, it's done. And I said, well, I can't submit a message. That still wasn't working. It worked for a little bit longer, and now, boom, we have our app. Now, the upshot of that is that it only used 6 credits, which is, when you think about, our base plan has 1,500 credits, and I built this whole app using only 6 credits. It's quite a powerful model and a lot of value. So that you have this option. You can use a model like Pro, get a ton of value out of it, and with our free credits that we're giving away, there's so much that you can build. And if you want something that's just eye-popping immediately, you don't want to go through the rounds of feedback with it, use one of our premium models powered by Anthropic. So we give you that choice and flexibility. Okay, so this is almost done publishing, and then we'll be able to share it with the world. All right, so David's ChatGPT clone is now live, and any prompt that we submit to it is going to use the Gemini AI credits that we redeemed earlier. So that's it. I can't wait to see what you build with it, and enjoy using Gemini free credits.